Hey everybody, time for Mixed Media Mayhem. Hi everybody, I want to show you what I got at Dollar Tree. It's very cool, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with what I got at Dollar Tree. First of all, I bought 10 of these St. Patrick's hats. $1 each. Next, I bought some green Gerber daisies and some white lilies. What we're going to do with these is we're going to make St. Patrick's Day centerpieces. I have my hot glue gun with some clear glue plugged in and ready to go. The first thing I'm going to do is cut all of these stems off. I don't want one big blob there. I'm just going to cut all these stems off of all the flowers, and then I'll show you what the next step is. First thing I'm going to do is take my X-Acto knife, make an X on the top of the hat. Not too big, just big enough. Now, through trial and error, I've discovered that 4 green Gerbera daisies and 2 lilies work well for a centerpiece. I'm just going to stick those in there through that hole I made. Now, what I'm going to do is take my glue gun and I'm going to glue them in with my hot glue gun. Rearrange them so that the hot glue doesn't show. There's the flowers. I'm going to use Lumiere acrylic paint. Lumiere paints are an acrylic paint. A little goes a long way, so I'm going to use these to write St. Patrick's Day on the hat. There's one side. And there we go. One finished centerpiece for our party.